Hello, for the channel Lex Consilium Foundation, we are talking today for the playlist In Semilie. We start this playlist about the 1971 Indo-Pak conflict, and that too with regard to eastern sector, where Indian forces were pitted against East Pakistan. Now it is known as Bangladesh. In conversation with me here today is Colonel Pradeep Saxena. But if we go back to 1971, उस वक्त ये सेकेंड लेफ्टिनेंट थे. 82 लाइट रेजिमेंट नेफा की फुटहिल्स पर थी. जगह का नाम था हारचुरा, और वहाँ से इनकी यूनिट को आदेश मिले कि वो नेफा के फुटहिल्स में चले जाएं, आसाम के फुटहिल्स में. और हम पहुंचते हैं 25 मार्च 1971. उस दिन की इम्पोर्टेंस ये है कि ये वो तारीख है जबकि बांग्लादेश ने अपने आप को एक स्वतंत्र देश घोषित कर दिया, क्योंकि दूर पश्चिमी पाकिस्तान में शेख मुजीबुर रहमान गिरफ्तार किए जा चुके थे. और ये दिन अभी भी बांग्लादेश का इंडिपेंडेंस डे है. तो 82 लाइट रेजिमेंट में 3 बैटरीज थी जो पापा, क्यूबेक, रोमियो और PQR बैटरी कहलाती थी. उसमें क्यूबेक बैटरी में उस समय सेकंड लेफ्टिनेंट प्रदीप सक्सेना, जो कि NDA IMA से ट्रेनिंग लेने के बाद स्कूल ऑफ आर्टिलरी में तोपची बन चुके थे, और क्यूबेक बैटरी के गन पोजीशन ऑफिसर थे और 6 तोपें उनकी कमांड में थी. अब उनसे हम बात करेंगे, और बात करते हुए मेरा पहला सवाल ये है कि प्री वॉर यानी कि लड़ाई से पहले, जबकि उनकी तरफ से ऑपरेशन नट क्रैकर 1 दिसंबर को शुरू हो गया था, उसके बारे में कुछ हमको बताएं.
देखिए, जैसे कि आपने बताया, थैंक यू फॉर हैविंग मी ऑन योर शो जनरल नरेंद्र. फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट आवर यूनिट वाज टू मूव टू रांची, but destiny had something else for us, and on 25th March when independence was declared by East Pakistan, our move was changed to Agartala, and we were allotted to 57 Mountain Division. Major General Benjamin Franklin Gonsalves, he was the GOC. We moved to Agartala in the first week of June in 3 trains. The first, that was the Romeo battery, was stopped at Badarpur, and they were deployed there in Assam near Silchar, while the rest of the regiment moved to Agartala. In Agartala, we reached around 15th or 16th of June, and we were located at an area which is called Noor Mahal area. It was the Neer Mahal area, and it is a palace complex of the Maharaja of Tripura. So when we were settling down, we found 2 gentlemen coming into the camp area. So we stopped and inquired, and it turned out that the gentlemen were the Maharaja of Tripura, Shri Tej Burman, and his ADC. So we promptly called the CO and made them sit. The mess was being established. We made them sit down and offered a cup of tea. So that was the start. Thereafter, our cubic battery, of which I was the GPO, 2-3 days later, we were moved to a place called Salda Nadi Pocket, which was in opposite the area which is known as Radha Kishorpur, also locally known as Udaipur of Tripura. And there I was asked to deploy my guns. Our own course mate, then second lieutenant Pradeep Kapoor, was already deployed there with 15 cubic battery of 59 Mountain Regiment. He received me and showed me my gun area, which was just a hill ahead of his. So after I had carried out the deployment, I asked Pradeep Kapoor, we call him Copsy. I said, Copsy, where is Pakistan? He says, come, I'll show you. So we climbed the hill in front of us, and he says, there down below is Pakistan. The front portion of the hill was part of India, but where it ended and it leveled was where Pakistan started. It was East Pakistan. That was my first glimpse of East Pakistan. And across that we saw the railway station of Kasba. So that area was known as Salda Nadi Pocket. Okay. That was the first deployment.
बहुत शानदार बात आपने बताई कि पाकिस्तान की सरहद पहाड़ी के उस तरफ थी, आप देख सकते थे, और वहाँ पर आपकी 6 तोपें जो थीं 100 मिलीमीटर
120 मिलीमीटर
ब्रांड
ब्रांड
मॉर्टर्स थे
जी।
और वो ताकत आपके पास थी 6 तोपों की, और वहाँ पर आप डिप्लॉय हो गए। यहाँ पर ये हमारा पहला वीडियो ख़त्म होता है। हमारी बातचीत जारी रहेगी और देखते रहिए। शुक्रिया।